Alright guys, and so this is the final product here.
Good morning.
Good morning, what's up guys? We're here about to head out to the grocery store. Yep.
This is not a Disney vlog.
No, but we are making something from Disney Springs, so we thought we'd share that with you guys because we're gonna try to recreate the Earl of Sandwiches
It's gonna be delicious.
holiday turkey meal. So just come along with us just for some fun and some shenanigans and this.
And we're gonna get coffee, so.
Yeah, that's the coffee dance, I guess. Alright. Alright, can I get a venti iced caramel apple crisp with extra drizzle?
The best part of waking up is Starbucks in your cup. Y'all remember those old Folgers commercials? Y'all remember those old Folgers commercials? Trying to mix it. I asked for extra drizzle. This was their idea of extra. Not what I would call extra, but this is okay. I like an ungodly amount of drizzle at the bottom of my coffee. So good. I love that. I got the iced apple crisp macchiato. It's like my new favorite. I used to always go for the regular iced caramel macchiato. This is my new jam. It's so good.
Alright, guys, we just got back from HEB and we got all the stuff we need. We're not gonna make the food right now because we had a little snacky whack, had a little kolache.
Not snacky whack.
Yeah. So, we'll check back in with you when we make the stuff.
We're gonna get some gains. He's gonna go to the gym. I'm gonna work out at home because that's what I do.
Yeah, so, deuce. This information wasn't noted in our original video when we went shopping because we got this turkey, which is sous vide turkey.
We got it from Costco. Shout out to Costco.
Yeah.
Alright, you guys, we're gonna put these sandwiches together now. I'm really excited. Take some mayonnaise, optional, totally optional. Mayonnaise is not a thing.
It does technically come on the sandwich though.
Yeah, it comes on the sandwich,
believe.
but people can order it or make it at home however they want. Then you're gonna take your dressing and put it on the bottom layer. Now we're gonna add the turkey on top of the dressing. This was the option when we went to Earl of Sandwich, the way I got my sandwich. They charge extra for it, but you can add fresh mozzarella, and I got it, and I thought it was so delicious.
Alright guys, and so this is the final product here. Looks
So
pretty thick.
good.
Alright, so let's, we'll each have a taste and see how it is. Messy boy. And just so you know, like the Earl of Sandwich one does have a little bit different because it uses a like toasted sandwich roll, which we didn't have the option of at the bakery we were at the time. And they did have like a ciabatta, which would work, but we wanted like the long boys, so we went with the hoagie rolls with the C's on them. But you can totally like make it even more authentic yourself if you've got a bakery, or if you go to a bakery and ask for something, or whatever you do. So, alright, now I'll go in for a little taste of this delight here, this messy delight. Alright guys, so that's kind of like what we had going on today. Just wanted to recreate that delicious sandwich from Earl of Sandwich, and
If you try it, let us know if you liked it.
yeah, let us know how it was, and we're gonna go watch some Disney vlogs and eat. So thanks guys.
Thank you.
Peace.